Are you looking for the best heat guns in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best heat guns that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, SEEKONE Heat Gun. If you're looking for a powerful heat gun with 2 modes, the SEEKONE 1800W heat gun is a great option. It can heat up to 1202 degrees Fahrenheit, 650 degrees Celsius, in 1.5 seconds, and has a temperature range of 122 degrees Fahrenheit to 1202 degrees Fahrenheit. The dial on the handle provides variable temperature control, and the high/low switch on the handle controls the airflow. The heat gun also has an overload protector to avoid damaging the heat gun or circuit. The SEEKONE heat gun comes with 4 nozzle accessories, a deflector nozzle, 2 concentrator nozzles, and a reflector nozzle, to help you get the perfect results for your project. The heat gun also has a scientific ergonomic design handle to prevent repetitive strain injuries. It's a great option for shrinking heat shrink tube, shrinking wrap, heating PVC, removing paint or floor tiles, loosening rusted bolts, and other heating or thawing purposes. The SEEKONE 1800W heat gun comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee, so you can buy with confidence. At number 2, Wagner Spraytech Heat Gun. Looking for a heat gun that can handle all of your household projects? Look no further than the HT1000 heat gun. This versatile heat gun offers 2 temperature settings, 750 degrees Fahrenheit and 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, to help you complete a variety of tasks, from softening paint and removing caulking to shrink wrapping and bending plastic pipes. The 2 fan speeds provide additional control to customize to your project needs, while the integrated stand allows for hands-free operation. Plus, the corrosion-resistant nozzle ensures long-lasting use. And when you're done, simply hang the heat gun on the integrated hook for easy storage. The HT1000 heat gun is ETL listed and backed by Wagner's 50+ years of experience, so you can be sure it's a safe and reliable choice for all your home improvement needs. At number 3, Genesis Dual Temperature Heat Gun. The Master Heat Gun is a versatile and powerful tool that is perfect for a variety of applications. The 12.5 amp motor provides plenty of power for even the most challenging projects, and the high and low temperature settings make it versatile enough for a wide range of uses. The deflector nozzles protect glass and other surfaces from damage, while the reflector nozzle speeds up the thawing of pipes. The 3-position rocker type switch makes it easy to switch between high, low, and off settings, and the included air reduction nozzle makes it even easier to use. The Master Heat Gun is a great choice for anyone looking for a versatile and powerful heat gun. At number 4, Black Decker Heat Gun. The HG1300 heat gun is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of applications, such as stripping paint, loosening rusted nuts, thawing pipes, and more. The dual temperature settings allow you to switch between 750 degrees Fahrenheit and 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, and the built-in stand makes cool down easier and safer. The 3-position side handle provides a comfortable grip and superb control for all applications. The lightweight and compact design is simple to maneuver and reduces muscle fatigue. The corded design offers unlimited runtime. Overall, we were impressed with the HG1300 heat gun and would recommend it to anyone in the market for a heat gun. At number 5, Porter Cable Heat Gun. The Porter Cable Heat Gun is a great tool for a variety of projects. It has 1,500 watts of power to deliver high heat, and multiple fan settings to help you control the airflow. The 2-speed selector is great for switching between high and low speeds, and the variable temperature dial allows you to easily adjust the temperature. The integrated support stand allows the gun to sit upright for hands-free use. This heat gun is perfect for a variety of projects, big or small. It's easy to use and adjust, and the support stand is a great feature. If you're looking for a heat gun, the Porter Cable is a great option. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.